Okay, so your exterior wall for your first story plan is to look like this. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So come to the ending part, zoom in here. I will use the wall, which is the thinner one, which is the exterior wall 150 to finish this, which is I'm going to snap here. 1, 2, and draw again. Carefully snap here. Yep, like this. Okay, so you can see in Revit, they automatically clean up nicely for you. So your first story wall should look like this. Yeah, that is your first story. Questions?
Jojo, I share screen can or not?
Can.
Okay.
Okay.
So you see I think I do wrongly but
What
I
only?
put whatever you said, man. You see whether I correct or not?
Correct. What only?
Really
Yeah.
Oh,
You're
then
tracing from the building. How can it be wrongly?
after this how nothing
No. At the same time, when you draw this, you must always have another view, 3D, to double check. Is your wall connecting correctly or not? Plan sometimes you can't tell. You need to have a 3D view also, like what I'm doing now. My view is one plan, one 3D.
the 3D is at where I never on
The 3D is on your screen, 3D views,
Michael. Is at
project browser.
project browser. Where?
You don't know what is project browser somehow, right? Never do your work, huh?
Project browser. Wait.
Project browser, the one with the properties below called project browser. Below, come down. Come down. Down. Project browser. See the name there?
Three 这个
There, 3.哎呀，先生，我敲你的头了。
then can or not?
I don't know. You check my view and your view. You check now. How me I can or not? As I said, you draw. You need to have confidence, mask. Then you can see what you're drawing. What
Okay, can.
must have some fit in yourself. Yeah, right or wrong is the view. So from there, your model, you check your view and against my view, see what's wrong. Then you can compare. If you are so-called not sure. Okay, so you can see my view. It just that you might be viewing this view, yeah, which is your southeast, and my viewing this view is my southwest. So it's up to you to view it. Yeah, so remember, every time do a model, whether class or not, if you are doing your model itself, you must have a plan and a 3D to always double check and double confirm. Okay. All good. So remember, we need to have 2 more wall here, 1 more wall here, and 1 few wall here. So let's double check what is the wall type again. And all this wall that is inside now is called your interior wall. Remember, exterior wall we already created. So zoom in. Let's measure. Now, sometime when all this thickness this line, when you are generating the model, remember the view as an overall view. You should not view as a fine detail. It should be viewed as a coarse detail. It should look like this. Okay? Unless you are doing construction detail, then you set to fine. Normally for Archi, easy for quick display, and easy to adjust your model, this is the best view for architecture. Okay, take note of that, huh? So now I'm going to zoom in. Let's do a quick measure again. Distance. This, okay, 150. So I have something more similar from this. I just need to duplicate and rename. All right. Okay, so 150. This one, This one don't see wrongly. You can see this is the grid line. This wall itself is here. It's only 100. Normally 100, all these are parapet wall. What is parapet? In so-called architectural term is called partition wall. In US, they like to use what they call partition. Ours is still just a brick wall. Yeah. Or could be a wooden kind of a plank kind of thing. I don't know. That depends. But it's 100, by the way. Okay, because here is to cover people from what the view looking at the staircase. So it just have a partition wall there. So that means we need to have a partition wall 100 later on. Okay. This one, this is 150. Okay, same as the bedroom one. How about our kitchen and your WC? Okay, 150. All are 150. Okay, all are 150. What is this? I can't measure. Yeah, 150 also. Okay, so that means we need to create two wall. Interior wall is this 150. This one here you can call interior wall or partition wall. Both are the same. Clear? Huh? Now, go back to my wall architecture. I will select the exterior wall 150 because closest to here. Then I will go to edit type. You duplicate from this wall type. Just change the name to interior wall. Okay, interior means the EX change to IN. Yep. Interior wall 150. So detail wise, nothing much to change lah. Okay, yeah, you can just set everything the same, no change. As for my partition wall is 100, then that is a change. Like what? Duplicate. I can call interior 100. Or if you prefer to call as a partition, please do so. Function, remember, is interior. Later, I want to change the other one also. So it's not 150. Now here, I will use the plaster 10 mm. And this one here also 10 mm. Total sum up together must be 100. So this one is 80. Okay, like that. Oh. So I have two. Let's double check the other one, which is the 150 interior. It's not exterior, it's interior function. Okay. So these two, we change that already. Then we can start to draw. Zoom in. Double check your 3D here when you draw. Go to interior wall 150. You can see that the tools always throw back to center. If you can track the center and draw, it's easy. See the center? Then it's okay. If let's say yours is not, you can choose exterior, interior, finish. Wrong side, never mind. You can space bar to flip. See now. So it's up to you. Whichever, as long that you draw the wall, it must be following your CAD drawing. Same location. So I want you to explore different types so you can feel it. See, center, automatic. So one here, two, one here. See that? Okay, clean up nicely. Okay, one more here. Center to center. Snap it now. Now, here, center to center to center, touch the center. Now, okay. So be careful when you are linking up all this. Just watch out for that. Here to center also. See, everything so far so good. Now is last piece. So need to change your wall type. So wall, interior wall, hundreds. Where is it? Where's my hundreds? Interior wall 100 is here. So hopefully I can snap the center. See, is there? Snap, draw. Okay, so far so good. We have our wall created. See, nice, right? Looks so cool, huh? Rabbits. Okay, looks simple. Haven't finished yet, looks simple,
Bernard, both internal wall, the 100 and 150, the plaster you put 10, is it both?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will move 10. Easier lah, because interior normally the component they use is much nice quality. So the plastering normally is thinner because you don't expose to sun and heat. It's the exterior that they need to take note more.
Jack, can I see
Which one?
how you draw the second one?
Second one.
Yeah, that means this is the interior one.
This one.
So you draw the
Why?
interior. Yeah. The interior you draw from where? So draw from where you draw until where?
I mean, these are the one. Hold on, let me highlight. Sorry, control key. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one.
Okay. But Jack, my view for the 3D right is different,
Meaning what?
I don't know, like it's so different from yours.
It depends on what you set, wireframe.
No, it's not the graphic.
Then?
It's the, I don't know how to show you where. Wait. I finish up the second part, but I finish up the interior first.
You draw interior first, then draw exterior.
No. I drawing the interior now. The exterior I done already.
Okay.
But it's just that the 3D view is different. It's like it's viewed in another way.
Meaning like that or like that?
No.
Okay, or like that.
Wait,
if
what?
yours is out of sync.
No.
Then-
No.
Then how?
So how you shortcut the orbit thing?
You press your shift key, then you press your auto scroll, then you drag your mouse. I thought I showed before the first two lessons.
Right.
Forgotten already. Ayya, you guys. Orbit, you can use, there's a lot of way to orbit. You can actually, based on this one, to do orbiting. But this type of orbit here is quite standard. Normally, I prefer free from orbit, which is you press your shift key, you don't let go of your shift key, you press your auto scroll button mouse, press also, you see the icon change to the two turning arrow. Then you just drag your mouse out. See? Freeform is easy because the standard view you see is always a 45 degrees angle, which is sometimes difficult to look at it in the sense that some component is blocking one another. So you need to go offset a bit, then you can see clearer. Yeah, so it's called a freeform orbit. Questions? So today we'll stop here. I want you guys to at least quickly get a touch up, get the wall done. If you know how to or want to control to draw your second floor, please go ahead. All right. You can actually go to your second story and insert your plan. So when you do that time, be careful. So you can continue to design your model from there. Don't just stop at first story. Okay. Or if not, you want to set up a new plan again, practice one more time. Make sure yourself get used to it. Okay. Oh yeah, last week, what happened? The Moodle, you guys cannot send file.
Yeah, it's down until I think after midnight.
You know why? I received an email later part. They say there's a maintenance. That's why I cannot send. I didn't know the maintenance is there. Don't worry. Later I'll try to adjust again. You guys send some more time again. Whatever the latest now that you are doing. At least there's a backup there lah. Okay. Don't email to me. Don't worry. If let's say I'm aware that there's a change, then it's okay. That's why I see I never reply any one of you when you email to me. Important thing is your Moodle. Let me know, then I'll change the timing. So at least you guys can still submit. Okay. Questions? Oh. So try to do it now. I mean, while try to make some changes to the submission. Okay, so let me see architecture submission for today. Hopefully they don't go and kacau again, say cannot send. I hate that. Okay, so let me see, edit. Okay, I think you guys are allowed to send. Yeah, no worries, because the cutoff date is still on the 8th. So anytime between May to June, you guys can still send in. All right, and the file maximum is 5. So you have used up, I think we got to reset again next time. All right, but here maximum is only 5 upload. Okay, you can't have more than that. So we have 7 lessons, so you guys got to be careful when you submit the file. Okay, this number of file you can look up to 5 times. 5 file but remember we only see 1. All right, 1 file, 1. All right, so you have at least another 4 more lessons, yeah, to submit this file. So try to put some hard work inside, so at least you can create a nice model. Okay, I think so far it's okay. You can send in anytime when, let's say, it's down. Don't worry, don't send to me, just submit to your portal. Questions?
Excuse me. We have to submit that today lesson by today lah.
Now I think as long as you submit a copy because I never really restrict your day week by week. If I set it week by week, then of course you got to submit.
I see. It will not be graded, right?
No, this submission will not be graded because it's intermittent. I just want, don't let me sudden spot check lah. Hey, you didn't submit until since day 1, because we teach where it stop. You supposed to have the file there. So at least you must get your file up.
Thank you.
Finish, not finish, never mind. I want at least to show that you guys do your model.
I got it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do we need to create different file name or we just
No,
override
all
it?
the while same name. Just override. Yeah, just
Okay.
override. Because if your current copy is corrupted, you can still download a copy from Moodle. So I think that's still the best choice to do intermittent submission. Yeah.
Teacher, I think you'll help.
Sorry.
Basically, I can't finish the interior part because I'm not sure which part is actually using the 100, which part is using the 150.
Okay, you look at my plan here. If I maximize TW, you see the thickness here. Which one is 100? This is 100. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 150. You can measure
So
what?
only got one is 100 only lah.
Yeah, this is the only
Is it?
piece. You can measure from here. This only piece is 100. See?
Is it?
Yeah, there's only one miserable piece. This guy actually don't withstand loading. No? You punch out, you can collapse. It's just to block the view lah, because people go to your house, and also just as an extension for your living room. If you don't have a wall here, this short piece here is your living room. Ugly ma, see not? Anyway, this is a very small house. Agree? It's a very small house.
I agree. It's a very small house. Last time I do commercial and industrial. It's
Yeah.
not really.
This is just a small assignment. So the purpose is to want you all to get used of understanding how you do modeling on a simple small house. When you have a huge project, I can tell you this is more complex and you're going to cry, I'm telling you, no joke. When it comes to a lot of so-called connections, first story, you see less problem. When it start to get all like second story and third story and whatever, more things will surface. This is where you will get confused. Now it's still simple.
I think I may need to change the zoom to my com so that I can share screen towards you. Then you help me because I feel there's a lot of problem in the view.
Yeah lah, that's why I told you why you don't want how I know.
No, because I highlight everything. Like I actually settled the interior and the exterior part already. But it just looks so different from yours. I do not know why. That's why I say I need you to help me control it.
Okay.
Can? Can okay. Give me a minute, I change now.
Okay. How the rest? So far all good?
Yes. Sir, actually I'm going to finish the roof level already. Like I don't know if I should add my cladding or just a bit of my touch.
Meaning?
I actually completed the whole building already. I don't know if I can I paint it or not.
To you, you can do painting any color, please go ahead. By all means. Wow, you finished so fast. Want to share with us?
Don't want.
Fast. Okay.
Don't want.
So selfish are you?
Yeah. No lah.
Okay, don't worry. Finish is good. I also want to see what you make. Then let our guys share. Since you do it fast, maybe next week we give you half an hour or 15 minutes to share your file and orbit and see how you do the model. Is it the correct way of doing model? I want to see.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay, so for those that is done, you guys want to go, please go ahead. So you want to go, please remember to check out, but don't go out yet. Let me capture your screenshot before you all left the screen here. Let me just capture a snapshot. Hold on. Okay, so file save as. attendance at 17:57. Save it. Okay, if you are leaving, please remember to check out. So, Jerry, you are ready? I'll stop recording because it's like time's up. I don't want to shoot into other people's time frame if they are using the recording. So just let me stop recording.